picture of that.
Oh, he's such a fine fellow.
A bike.
Yes. Have you got a motorbike, Edward?
Yeah.
Is yours a motorbike?
No.
What sort of a bike is yours? A bike like that?
Yes. Like that.
Uh-huh. What colour are the wheels?
Look
Oh!
Daddy, can we cycle along the end?
Yes.
Oh, they go up! Oh! No, we're going that way. Oh, they go up! Oh, Daddy.
Well, you go up the hill and Becca will go along there.
Oh, no. We'll go up the hill then. Race down there. Can you as well, Daddy?
Not really.
Why can't we go? Oh, can we go on the climbing frame?
Yes, if you like. Fine.
Can you keep my bike?
Yeah.
Because I'm going to...
What you got there, Edward?
Another dick.
Another stick?
Yeah.
Can you say stick?
Dick.
Can you say stick?
Dick.
Say it again.
Dick.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
And what are you using it for?
Yeah.
No, don't hit the bag. That's Janet's bag.
What on the end?
On the end, it's, whoops. Can't see.
I want the bucket bag.
Do you? Ah. Can you get on it now? The saddle's too high for you, isn't it?
And another boy. This is like, wow.
Now, Rebecca and Edward,